Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I have been having so much fun doing some holiday shopping and a lot of beauty hauls and things, and I've been able to share on this channel. And so today I have done a lot of it's actually Black Friday I'm filming. But I have done a lot of Black Friday this week shopping, and I've just gotten a few things back that I got. One of the things I just did a video, I went to Macy's. They started their sale like a week ago, and so I was able to get a bunch of cosmetics and stuff at 50% off. I also picked up the 25 Days of Beauty. It was 50% off, so I picked that up. And I did a video on that, so I don't know. Anyway, you'll have to check that out. But today I'm just going to show you a couple other things I got from Macy's, and I think maybe a couple other places. I can't remember. So anyway, we're just going to get started. So most of this came from Macy's. But in here, I've got several beauty products I got. These were, like I said, 50% off. So I got really good deals on these things. And the first thing I have here is from, it's called the Lady Bold from Too Faced Cosmetics. I can't remember what this is. It's going to either be a lip liner or, okay, it is a lip liner. Ooh, I like that. It's got the little clicker on the end here. So, okay, there we go. So you just click it and it pulls it out. I've been on a hunt for good lip liners, so I think that's part of the reason why I bought this. Like I said, it was 50% off, so there's that. So that's the first thing I got for my Black Friday deal. The next thing I got is from NYX. It's a 4-pack of a lip kit with 4 in it. Now, they're the smaller sizes, but I love their lip products. Love. Let's see what we got here. I got 4 different ones. So I think they're going to be colors I like. So anyway, this one's, you got kind of like a brownish, darker color. This one's like a pink, which is right along my lines. Then we got a clear do-over. And then this one's kind of a mauve, darker mauve color, burgundy. So anyway, I'm excited about that. So like I said, this, love these products. I can't say enough good things about them. I love that it's in a cute little kit here. They were $50% off. This is $20 on here, it says. So I think for $10 I got this kit. Not sure if they're still running these sales. But that's a fun kit. I think it's even worth the $20. So, because I love this product. So that's the second thing. The third thing I have is also from NYX, and I use these and I love these, and I don't know if I need both of these, but it was such a good buy. I couldn't pass it up. And this, it's cute. It has little stocking stuffers, stockings on it. This one, does it have a price? Once again, I think whatever I paid, it was 50% off. And the colors are white. I use my white all the time. I'm trying to get this open here. Okay, I use the white, like, I'll show you. So it's kind of a white and then just like a kind of a shimmer champagne color. But these, I use them in the corners of my eyes a lot, the white. And I also use them just under, I kind of lightly do it and rub under my eyebrows. It just kind of gives you a definition there. So I do that. These can be used on the eyes however you want, basically. So these are really fun. Goodbye. They last forever. So you just sharpen them and they're ready to go. So anyway, there's the third thing I have. The fourth thing I have that I also got at Macy's is this pink sugar perfume. It's got the perfume and a lip gloss, and I believe this was maybe 20 or 25, but it's got the 1.7 ounce perfume, and this smells really good. It's just kind of sweet and fun. I got it for maybe a gift, but I don't know, because I smelled the perfume and I kind of like it. I might just like it for just a, you know, a run around town type perfume. But anyway, so that was fun. That's the fourth thing. And then I got a couple of things here from Ipsy that were on sale. First of all, I got this e.l.f. skin. This is the bronzing drops. I love bronzing drops of any kind. I thought this would make a nice gift for someone. So there's that. And then from Dibs, which is, I want them to make more makeup, because everything I've gotten from Dibs I absolutely love. I love their blush bronze duo. And this is a two-ended double-ended lip liner, and I actually have a lip liner from Dibs, and I love, love, love it. So when I saw this on sale, I picked this up. I love that it's double-ended. It's fun. You can take with you and have two choices. So anyway, there's that. That is for me, not a gift, because I'm in love with it. Anyway. So, and then also I told you I'm on a lip pencil kick trying to find right ones. But anyway, this one's from Luna Magic, and it's just, I like this. I can tell I'm going to like it. It's like a gel. This one's kind of a red, so it's good for holiday. It's right there. It feels really smooth, good going on. I think this was like $3. So I picked that up. So those are things I picked up from Ipsy. Let's see, what is in here? Oh, I think this is Ipsy just sent me also a couple things that were missing from a previous order. Anyway, they're good about that. And then the last thing I'm just going to show from my Black Friday. I wish I had more stuff here for my Black Friday shopping, but I got this train case. This is from Amazon, and it was discounted. I could put a link for it down below in the info section. But anyway, so it opens up like this, and it's got a mirror. So there's, well, I didn't really want to show the mirror, but there's the mirror. And the mirror, actually, this right here this center section will move over like this. So you open up and see what's in the bottom. And I'll show a picture. I'll post a picture up here because you can get a better idea than the picture. But anyway, then you have the mirror here, and it's just got lots of room for makeup. And then it just folds into this compact. I tend to take up this much room because I'm such a makeup and glam girl that I would pack this in my suitcase. So it's fun, or you just need to pack up makeup for take it. It has a little lock on it, so up here, and a handle. So I got the cute pink one. They had other colors. I think I kind of like the gold one too, but I think it wasn't on sale and the pink one was, so I based on color, I went ahead and got the pink one. So anyway, that's the last thing I have right now of my Black Friday things. Like I said, I have more stuff coming. It's just been, it's Black Friday today. So anyway, I'll have more things coming. But anyway, that was a fun little haul. You might want to run to check out the Macy's website for some of these items. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of fun sales going on now throughout, anyway, the next month. So anyway, now that lip liner is stuck. Trying to get that off, and that's a good sign. Okay, that it has staying power. Anyway, so thank you guys for being here. Let me know what you think. Have you done some Black Friday shopping? Let me know in the comments what you've done and how that's gone for you. And I would love your support. Once again, help me get to my 1,000 and hit the like button. Do those things to support my channel if you wish. And I will see you guys all in the next one. Lots more to video. So, lot more coming out. So we'll see you then. All right. Bye-bye.